Good morning, everyone, guys, and welcome back on our channel. It must have happened to you. Who knows how many times you've seen a drawing? And if the lack of some dimensions that can allow you to program this. In this case, you need to find a solution that can be found with CAM, with CAD, with trigonometry, or by asking the designer. Because if they forgot a dimension that doesn't even allow me to do the trigonometric calculations, we're pretty much done working. Let's take, for example, this drawing where we have a somewhat particular interior. If we evaluate what we see here, we see a diameter and a starting Z. Here, we have the angles, so we know we need to go down. We have the diameter 131.25, which is this bottom here, but it's not the intersection of these two lines. Which would be this point, but it's the diameter where this fillet circumference, if you want to see the horizontal, but in reality it continues and connects with this line, of which we have the diameter and the final zeta. But we don't have the inclination. They don't come to me. Data, however, in truth, if I were in front of a CAD, I could draw it. Because I have this diameter. So having this diameter, it touches the radius, and I make a parallel. I make a parallel to this line. The intersection is the center. We know that it is perpendicular. So with trigonometry, I can actually, one way or another, find all my data and then proceed with the calculation. It is true that not all of us are very good with trigonometry. Not all operators are skilled with this kind of calculation. And that a help. Normal. It doesn't. Now, I have often and willingly talked to you about conversation. Now I will show you how the guide manual comes to our aid. In this case, be careful. The first few times it will make you curse a bit. But once you remember all the steps, the guide manual helps a lot. The same principle can also be applied to SimTree. Take a screenshot of this drawing. We will now work on the internal area, so we will start from x 167.1 z0. We will descend the 30 degrees, connect, and make this inclination, all without different and superior data than those you see in the drawing. The data from the drawing is enough for us. We go manual, comprehensive guide, data not second, and I generate the drawing. Absolutely perfectly. We start from scratch. So we go into Edit, create a new program that we will call Profile. We go as Manual Guide into our tool table, Tool Offsets, and tell it that we are working with tool number 1, which is a radius 0.8. It's a boring bar, so virtual point 2. And to be able to make this profile, I need to have a boring bar with an angle of 95 degrees and a C555 degree of B. That is a DNMG or DCM if we are doing roughing or finishing, but we are now focusing mainly on the profile. Everything else we don't care much about. Therefore, we define the raw piece lathe. This is fundamentally a 2 on 80. In the form, it's a 131.5, so let's say it's a 128. And the thickness is a 37. KO. We are not interested. And we are already doing it. We insert, we go to select the G95, the tensile P101, M4, G96, S150. We have called our tool. We have them after the 95 it is needed, as we have told them. Note that we are working in millimeters per minute, and we will go to 150 meters per minute, not everything else, just a little. What do I want to do with this text that I want to rough and finish? So I insert a cycle. Turn in the road and it finishes. Okay, so internal roughing and finishing. We select and go to tell it, okay, I care a little about the data that follows, so I work towards Z. Less cutting depth 4, stock allowance. On 6x 1 millimeter stock allowance, the Servita 0.1, cutting feed rate 0.25. 0.25. For those who weren't paying attention, I remind you that this is the cutting feed rate for roughing, this is for finishing, this is to potentially go down into a pocket, and this is to exit the pocket. So generally this will be lower and this will be higher. We actually say here that we have a pocket because I need to go up. So let's say that when I go up, I go to 0.2 because I engage the insert a bit more. And when I exit, now my backspace doesn't work. I don't know. I don't care. Okay. Particular. I do everything. Passed at the same depth. The tool. I'm fine with it rising like this. Retraction distance when I go back. No minimum safety distance. In X 1 safety distance, Z in 1 minimum direction. Of cutting X more because I am working inside cutting pocket, cut, and cut. So it has to make the pocket for me. Let's insert that now. We are going to insert the profile. That is what our problem is. Main. Diameter X 167.1 Z0. Very easy because it's my simple starting point. Okay? A line. Difficult. It goes downwards. Then to the left. But I don't have the arrival X. I don't have the arrival path. The only thing I have are the angles. Be careful, because manual guy with angles is a real pain. Dance. I give it 60, and I give it the OK, and you see that it goes downwards with an opening of 60 degrees. In this sense, meaning 30. But it doesn't know where to end. Let's do something else. Modify I'm still here connection with the next object. In this case, it tells me nothing. Perfect. Let's insert what now we need to insert a circumference. So not a fillet, but another that will be traversed in this direction. What do I know about this arc, I know the end point, no, in Disney the radius is 11. Then I know the x position of the center because I have the diameter, which is 131.25, and the radius 11. So my diameter will be 131.25 plus 2 times 11, that is 22, 133.25. So this dimension is so 133.25. What else do I know about this radius? I know that it is tangent to the previous element. Okay, here it is. It made a perfect radius. Now I'm going to insert a line. This line will go upwards and to the left. I know the endpoint of this line, of course I do. 137.75. I know the final zeta of this line, of course I do. I know less. 34.75. I know the angle. No, I don't know it. But I do know that it is tangent to the previous element. Okay. It's good that it was drawn poorly because something is wrong. Let's go modify it. Let's see where I made. The error x 137.75 is correct, and from minus 34.75 is correct, and if, probably the error I made was in the circumference modification. Indeed, I made a mistake writing 133 because it was 131.75 plus 22. So 153.5. And now we have our profile. See, here it is. Okay, now what do I do? Remember the manual guide that requires a line going downwards? Up to my rough draft, I remember. If I remember correctly, I had said that the rough draft was 128, in case put something less. 127, which is not wrong. Okay. Erase. See, what I did, I put it here because I had highlighted this, so I need to highlight this here. Line. Downwards, x127. Okay? I'm going to close the profile. It's internal and says the selected rough draft is connected. That is, this is the material to transport. That is the insertion of the subprogram. Okay. M5, M13. Let's go. In single. Let's immediately rotate according to the isometric view that interests us. The raw piece, and let's go see. The result. Look how cool. It's beautiful. Too fast. Let's slow it down. And pulled it. If you want to see the graphics well, single. It starts, you go to do the broken view. Wherever it interests you, if you want, you can set it in 2D. Look at the beautiful counterbore we are making. And I assure you that the manual guide is much more than what I am showing you. There are many aspects of the manual guide that I still don't know. There's really so much, but here we have done the manual guide 1, a profile, of which I didn't know all the data. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. In my opinion, this is the most powerful part of the manual guide, especially for those who do turning, especially for those who make single pieces. I remind you that if you like what you have seen and heard, you can thank me with a like. Confirm a coffee with the method in the description by subscribing to the channel, especially by becoming a member of the channel. €1 a month is worth a course. I wish to be worth at least €1 a month, or with a super thank you. 1,000 thanks for being with me. And another nice thing you can do you share these videos on your social media? You never know, it might be useful to someone else too. Thank you very much.